to the sheet number 2. From sheet number 1 I am moving to sheet number 2. Let us make some interesting information. Okay, let us take number of the typical cricket match that is currently going on, or we can take the ICC Championship trophy that happened in the recent past. Now I want to say I want to store the data of every match. Now match number is a single data. Team A, Team B, date of the match, right? And then score, right? Now I want to say umpire 1, umpire 2, right? Again I can say score of team A, score of team B. Now you want to say winner. Now let me just, these are all the data that I want to store. Okay. Now this particular data, correct? Suppose 16 matches have happened. Now I want to store, right? Match number 1, South Africa versus India, date of the match, let us say, I'm just giving some arbitrary date, okay, 10th September. Score of the team A is 240. Umpire 1, Danny. Umpire 2, Ben. Score of team B is 222. Winner is declared as team A. Match number 2, England versus Pakistan, 11th September. Score A 230. Bill, Ben. Score of team B 231. Winner is B. Okay. Match 3, Australia, India, 12th September, 280. Bill, Danny, and then score of team B is 220. Winner is team A. I am making some data now. Okay. The third use of database is, if you go to Excel, there is something called sort, right? Sorting is another important use of databases. I want to sort based on score A. Okay, what is the first team that scored? If I sort, you can see 230, 240, 280. This appears based on the score of team A. I want to sort based on the date of the match. Okay, descending. I say, now you could see all the records, all the rows are sorted. Now sorting is an important feature of every database. Same way, there is something called filter. Filtering is another important use of all the databases. If you say auto filter, show me what all the matches India played, right? I can go to that and then I filter. It shows information about matches played by India. If you look at individual columns, okay, column A, column B, column C, they are all data. But the moment I associate each data, team A is Australia, team B is India, 12th September is the date of match, the moment I associate the data, it gives me a meaning. I want to do further analysis, right? I want to do analysis. Providing analysis is also part of the database. We talked about filtering, we talked about sorting, analysis of data. Suppose I give it, the moment I give some information, show me all the matches where score is more than 200 or score is more than 230, I can make an analysis over here, correct? So the data, if you put them in a simple fashion, right, then typically that becomes an information. Using information, I can do analysis. If I do analysis, I can take my decisions better. So effectively, the moment I say retrieval meaning get the information back from database. How do I get the information? I get it as it is, or I get it sorted, or I get it filtered, or I get it analyzed, right? How do I analyze? For example, if I use match number, okay, and then scores, I select these columns. If I go insert a chart, okay, insert a chart, show me a line chart, and if I do that, or if I say show me a column chart, now you could see matches 1, 2, 3, you could see it is drawing me a graph. Using data, I can plot the same data, I can create graphs, and that graph is an analysis. Any graph is an analysis. If you see in the cricket match, they will give over-wise score, and you could see x-axis as over number, y-axis is the number of runs scored in that over. The moment they put that graph, it is only data. Data is represented in a different way. It gives me a better analysis. Then I can make decisions in a better way, correct? Now, the primary use of database is store and retrieve. While retrieving, retrieve all, retrieve sorted, retrieve with filtering, at the same time maintain the relationship, plus help people to analyze data. This is the prime motto of any database, name it Oracle or DB2 or MS SQL Server or MySQL. Is this concept clear to you all? Can you please raise the hands? Often I will be asking, is this clear? Because our aim is to ensure people get the knowledge in the right way. Perfect. Let us move one more step. Okay? Let us go ahead with one more step. The next step that we are going to do is a simple exercise. I am going to move to sheet number 3. Okay?